My plan to visit Japan is coming along nicely, but I want to start adding in some more rich media so that I can access links to book tickets for things, or listen to music, or find my shopping list document when I get there. So I've opened up Safari here, and I've got a link for the Tokyo Tower website. All I'm going to do is either copy and paste that link, or simply drag and drop it like this, and drop it on my Freeform board. You'll notice as soon as I paste it on my page that it loads a rich preview of that website. That means there's a nice big featured image, the website title and the URL are all visible. Of course I can click on it to go back to the website at any time, but it also looks really nice on my board, and it means I can easily access that data in the future. I can resize it, but at the moment it's locked the proportions, so I can only stretch it diagonally. No worries, if I right click I can untick constrain proportions, and then I can resize it however I like. You can embed pretty much anything into a Freeform board, whether that's a Pages document or a numbers spreadsheet, or even a playlist in Apple Music. So here there's a playlist that perhaps I might like to listen to on the flight, and if I can copy the link to that playlist, when I paste it in Freeform, just like the website, I'll get a nice rich preview with the cover artwork and more details underneath. It's worth exploring just what you can actually put on a Freeform board, because it's so much more than I expected when I first saw the app. You can add a really wide selection of rich content onto your boards. In the next video, I'll show you how you can add annotations, even though you can't use your touchscreen on a Mac. So, join me there in a second and I'll show you a really cool trick.